Hey designers, welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special video because it marks our 100th video on this channel, and we couldn't be more excited to share this milestone with all of you. To celebrate, we're diving into the top 5 most useful websites that every graphic designer should have in their toolkit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these websites will boost your creativity, streamline your workflow, and help you stay ahead in the game. Let's jump in. First up, we have Pexels. If you're looking for free, high-quality stock photos and videos, this is the place for you. Pexels offers an extensive library of beautiful images that can be used for commercial or personal projects without any hassle. The best part: you don't even need to worry about complicated licenses or attributions for most of the images. From stunning landscapes to creative flat lays, Pexels has it all. So if you want to elevate your designs with visually stunning images, make sure to add Pexels to your go-to list. Next on the list is Unsplash. Like Pexels, Unsplash provides high-resolution photos for free, but what sets it apart is its huge collection of artistic and unique photos contributed by talented photographers from all over the world. And need that perfect shot of a city skyline or a creative portrait. Unsplash is where you'll find the eye-catching imagery that stands out. Their powerful search function and curated collections make finding the perfect image a breeze. A great platform for those times when you need to find something special to make your project pop. Moving on, we have Freepik. This website is a goldmine for graphic designers who need vectors, illustrations, and even Photoshop templates. Freepik has both free and premium content, so no matter your budget, you'll find what you need. From logos to icons, flyers to mockups, Freepik is a one-stop shop for everything you need to bring your design concepts to life. The variety of resources it offers is mind-blowing, and it's a great tool for those working on professional branding projects. And the best part: you can easily download resources and PSDs and start customizing them in your favor right away. Number 4 on our list is none other than Canva. Canva is a game changer for both beginner and intermediate designers because of its user-friendly interface and powerful design tools. You can create stunning graphics, social media posts, and even presentations without any advanced skills. It's perfect for quick projects when you need something professional in a short amount of time. Canva's drag and drop editor allows you to build designs from thousands of templates, fonts, and elements. It's fast, easy, and gets the job done. So if you're looking for a platform that simplifies the design process but still delivers pro-level results, Canva should be your go-to. Last but definitely not least, we have Coolors. Coolors is the ultimate color scheme generator for graphic designers who want to create stunning color palettes for their projects. Simply press the spacebar and Coolors will generate a random but visually cohesive color scheme. You can tweak the palettes, lock in colors, and even upload images to extract colors directly from them. It's the perfect tool when you're stuck trying to find the right combination of colors for your design. Coolors not only helps you create beautiful palettes, but also allows you to export them directly into your favorite design software. And that wraps up our 100th video special. These 5 websites are absolute must-haves for any graphic designer looking to level up their creative game. We hope you found this list useful and that you'll try out these amazing tools. Let us know in the comments which website is your favorite, or if there's another tool you can't live without. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for helping us reach this amazing milestone of 100 videos. We couldn't have done it without your support. Subscribe our channel and like the video. Stay creative, and we'll see you in the next one.